Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this little get ready with me video. I did like a little vampy look, and I've been really into the whole black liner in the waterline and dark eyes and bold liner, so that's what I did for you guys today. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. I already primed with the Too Faced primer, and I'm just gonna do my eyes. So yeah, using the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be priming my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I'm just gonna warm it up with my index finger, with my ring finger, and I'm just gonna go ahead and. So we're just gonna go with this. Don't know if I did this right, to be honest. I barely ever use that. I've never really used it until I got the James Charles palette. Okay, so now I'm not gonna do a colorful look because I am going out. So I think I'm gonna start off with I think I'm gonna use this plum color right here. Don't know what it's called. I threw away the sheet because who even keeps those sheets? I'm gonna grab my Sephora 38 brush. It's a Pro Featherweight Light Crease brush. And yeah, I'm just gonna rub that shit in my crease. And I'm gonna wing it out. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. Winging it out. Okay, so I brought it in just a little bit, like not too much, but like this much in. And now I'm gonna start to wing it out. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. And I'm just gonna lightly start to wing it out. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Just blowing down and shit. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'll be right back. So we're gonna go back into the palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here to blend out my edges. I'm just gonna lay this right on top of my edges here. Smaller tapered brush, and I'm gonna try to stain the palette. Going with this purple, dark purple right here above the black. Wherever I think I'm gonna put that cut crease, I'm just gonna put it right there. Just to add some definition when I do cut the crease. Just following my natural eye shape. It looks a little Halloweenish, but I promise we're getting there. I think what I'm gonna do, don't know. I think I decided on cut crease, but I feel like this cut crease is gonna be a little different. I don't know, you guys. I'm kind of digging the way this is looking right now. I'll go back in with that first color we used and just kind of diffuse it all over my lid, so anywhere that doesn't really have that much shadow. I just don't know. I just put that color, that plum color, all over the lid, and now I'm gonna go back in with the purple, the dark purple, and just kind of redefine. I guess we're just gonna go with bold liner. I'm grabbing my Inglot liner, and I'm grabbing my Inglot 31T brush. I'm just gonna be applying my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Hourglass Stick Foundation, and I'm only gonna be doing a couple of stripes because I've noticed that if I put too much and around my smile lines and my forehead lines, I start to crease really bad. So I just put it on the outer perimeter, and I put 2.5 stripes. Put one here, one there, and then half of one, and I do it around my forehead. The bottom of my chin. That's about it I do for the Hourglass. And then I'll blend that out with a brush, my Real Techniques brush. So I just go ahead and blend that out right now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go with my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation, and this one's in light tan. I'm just gonna do 1 pump of that, and I'm gonna go over here and first blend it out on like the rest of my face, and then bring it in. And then I'm just gonna use my sponge over that, just so like it's a nice streakless mess. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some concealer. I'm putting on Makeup Revolution concealer. It's in C9. And I'm just like highlighting my face with that. I'm gonna keep my eyes up and grab my Ben Nye powder. And then my Real Techniques setting brush. And set my under eyes with that. And then I'm gonna go over my forehead because I frown so much. I am gonna set my face with my Avon Flawless powder. I love this powder. I'm gonna bake and put some lashes on probably and be right back. Wait, I am back and my eyebrows are white. I still need to put more powder on because my face is so light right now. I'm gonna grab my LA Girl Pro Face powder. There's literally nothing in here, just like little crumbs. This one's in medium beige. Whatever's like left, I guess. I don't know. So I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild bronzer as always. And just bronze. I can't really see. I'm using my Bare Minerals All Over Face Powder in Warmth. This is what I use for like extra wands, but this one like helps bring like color to my face. So I really just use it like right there first, just to really define my cheekbones. And then I will bring it up to my like cheeks, to where I would put blush basically. And this just makes me look so like, ooh. I'm just gonna like curl my lash. Wait, what am I doing? I still need blush. Put on this Dior blush. I got it at my gratis, so I'm just gonna do that. I don't know what it's called. All this is like GB28. Looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. It's still very powdery at the moment. So I'm using my Too Faced 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. Love this stuff. But I have this Laura Geller Illuminator palette. Looks like this. French Fizz Inner Corner Highlight. I love it. So that's what we're gonna be using. It's this one right here. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. So then I wipe off my brush, and then I go in with Gilded Honey on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm just gonna wait a second to put on, because I want to put my falsies. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then apply mascara. This is a Better Than Sex mascara. This is a waterproof one. I have really straight lashes and my hair is so greasy, so I'm sorry. Nothing but waterproof can hold my lashes. So what we're doing today. I'm gonna apply falsies. I have the Kiss Lashes in Camisole. I don't have a container, but they look like this. Look like that. Do that too and be right back. Alright, hey guys, I actually had to hurry up because I was running late as always. So I went ahead and did my bottom lash. I added some black liner in my waterline. I went ahead and put out my hair because I'm running late, so I had to do something with my hair. And I popped in some hoops, and then I did my lips. For my lips, I love NYX lip products, so I used the NYX Nude Truffle lip liner, and then I used the NYX lingerie in seduction. So that's what I have on my lips today. And yeah, I hope you guys loved this get ready with me or tutorial, or I don't know what you want to call it. Yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!